Hi, in this video we are going to look at Telugu meanings of sentences using the words it is. It's new means idi krottadi or adi krottadi. Here it means idi or adi. If the item is near, you can use the word idi, and if the item is far, you can use the word adi. New means krotta, and after krotta, if you are going to use along with idi or adi, you need to add di suffix. So idi krottadi or adi krottadi, that means it's new. In place of idi or adi, you can use any item name. For example, TV krottadi, computer krottadi, pustakam kottadi. Pustakam means book. It's cold means challaga undi. Here we don't use the meaning of it. We say just challaga undi. That means it's cold. Is means undi, cold means challaga. It's easy means idi sulabhanga undi or adi sulabhanga undi. Here it means idi or adi, is means undi, easy means sulabham, and we add ga suffix after sulabham. So sulabham plus ga becomes sulabhamga. It's late means alasyam ayindi. Here also we don't use the meaning of it. We just say alasyam ayindi. That means it's late. It's my CD means idi na CD or adi na CD. If the CD is near, you can say idi na CD. If the CD is far, you can say adi na CD. My means na. It may rain means varsham padavachu. Rain means varsham. It may rain means varsham padavachu. Here also we don't take the meaning of it. We just say varsham padavachu. That means it may rain. It's cloudy means akasham meghavrutamai undi. Here akasham means sky, cloudy means meghavrutamai, is means undi. It's Monday means ee roju somavaram. Monday means somavaram. It's my job means idi na pani. Idi na pani. Here it means idi, my means na, job means pani. Actually job means udyogam, but here we take the meaning of work. Work means pani. The other meaning of the same sentence is adi na pani. It was night means appudu baga ratri ayindi. It's amazing means idi adbhutanga undi or adi adbhutanga undi. It's too big means idi chala peddaga undi or adi chala peddaga undi. Here it means idi or adi, is means undi, too means chala, big means peddaga. Actually big means pedda, we add ga suffix after pedda. It is raining means varsham padutundi. Varsham padutundi. Rain means varsham. It's my treat means ఇది నేను ఇచ్చే విందు. Here treat means విందు, my means na, but here we take the meaning of I means నేను, it means ఇది. It's hot today means ఈ రోజు వేడిగా ఉంది. Here we don't take the meaning of it, we just say ఈ రోజు వేడిగా ఉంది. Hot means వేడి and we add ga suffix after వేడి. Is means ఉంది, today means ఈ రోజు. It's too large means ఇది చాలా పెద్దగా ఉంది or అది చాలా పెద్దగా ఉంది. Here it means ఇది or అది, is means ఉంది, too means చాలా, large means పెద్ద and we add ga suffix after పెద్ద. So పెద్ద plus ga becomes పెద్దగా. It's too small means ఇది చాలా చిన్నగా ఉంది or అది చాలా చిన్నగా ఉంది. Here it means ఇది or అది, is means ఉంది, too means చాలా, small means చిన్న and we add ga suffix after చిన్న. If it is near, for example in place of ఇది or అది you can use any item name. For example book, book means పుస్తకం, పుస్తకం చాలా చిన్నగా ఉంది. Or you can say banana, banana means అరటిపండు, అరటిపండు చాలా చిన్నగా ఉంది or అరటిపండు చాలా పెద్దగా ఉంది. Like that you can say. If the banana is near, you can use the word ఇది. If that banana is far, you can use the word అది. It's up to you means మీ ఇష్టం or మీరే నిర్ణయించుకోండి. Here we are not translating exactly. Actually మీ ఇష్టం means as you wish or as you like. మీరే నిర్ణయించుకోండి means you can decide as you wish. It's very cold means చాలా చల్లగా ఉంది. Here we are not taking the meaning of it, but we just say చాలా చల్లగా ఉంది. Is means ఉంది, very means చాలా, cold means చల్లగా. It's your book means ఇది మీ పుస్తకం or అది మీ పుస్తకం. Here it means ఇది or అది, your means మీ, book means పుస్తకం. If the book is near, you can use the word ఇది. If the book is far, you can use the word అది. It's your turn means ఇది మీ వంతు. It's now my turn means ఇక ఇప్పుడు నా వంతు. Here now means ఇప్పుడు, my means నా, turn means వంతు. It's dark outside means బయట చీకటిగా ఉంది. Here we are not using the meaning of it, but we just say బయట చీకటిగా ఉంది. Is means ఉంది, dark means చీకటి and we add ga suffix after చీకటి. So చీకటి plus ga becomes చీకటిగా. Outside means బయట. It's my brother's means ఇది మా సోదరుడిది or అది మా సోదరుడిది. Here it means ఇది or అది, my means మా. Actually my means na, but here we use the plural word meaning. మా means our, brother means సోదరుడు, Brothers means sodarudidi. Similarly, you can say any relationship name, then add the suffix. For example, you can say sister. Sister means sodari. Sisters means sodaridi. Mother means ammagaru. Mothers means ammagaridi. Father means nannagaru. Fathers means nanngaridi. Friend means snehitudu. This is for masculine gender. Friends means snehitudidi. For feminine gender, you can say snehituralidi. It's not my fault means idi na tappu kaadu. Idi na tappu kaadu or adi na tappu kaadu. Here it means idi or adi. It is not means idi kaadu or adi kaadu. My means na. Fault means tappu. It is a long story means adi oka pedda katha. Here it means adi, long means pedda, story means katha, a means oka. It's raining again means varsham malli padutundi. Here it's raining means varsham padutundi. Again means malli. It's free of charge means idi uchitam or adi uchitam. It's time to get up means ఇది నిద్ర లేవవలసిన సమయం. ఇది నిద్ర లేవవలసిన సమయం. Here it means ఇది time to get up means నిద్ర లేవవలసిన సమయం. It may rain tomorrow means రేపు వర్షం పడవచ్చు. Here it may rain means వర్షం పడవచ్చు. Tomorrow means రేపు. It's a good question means ఇది ఒక మంచి ప్రశ్నే. Here it means ఇది, a means ఒక, good means మంచి, question means ప్రశ్నే. It's my CD isn't it means ఇది నా CD కదా. Here it means ఇది, my means నా, isn't it means kada. It's time for dinner means ఇది భోజనం చేయవలసిన సమయం. ఇది భోజనం చేయవలసిన సమయం. Here it means ఇది, time means సమయం, dinner means భోజనం, time for dinner means భోజనం చేయవలసిన సమయం. It is very cold today means ఈ రోజు చాలా చల్లగా ఉంది. It's my favorite food means ఇది నాకు ఇష్టమైన ఆహారం. Here it means ఇది, my means నా, but here we use the meaning of to me. To me means నాకు, favorite means ఇష్టమైన, food means ఆహారం. In other words, you can also say అది నాకు ఇష్టమైన ఆహారం. If the food is far, you can say అది నాకు ఇష్టమైన ఆహారం. If the food is near, you can say ఇది నాకు ఇష్టమైన ఆహారం. It's my favorite song means ఇది నాకు ఇష్టమైన పాట or అది నాకు ఇష్టమైన పాట. Here song means పాట. It's time for us to go means ఇది మనకు వెళ్ళవలసిన సమయం. Here it means ఇది, time means సమయం, for means కు or కొరకు, but here we use the word కు. For us means manaku. To go means వెళ్ళవలసిన. Time for us to go means మనకు వెళ్ళవలసిన సమయం.